Hey guys, quick review of NZE Wintergreen pouches. These are the Focus variant. They are caffeine free. This is what I wanted to use to stop Zen. And honestly, it's been exactly what I need. These pouches, especially compared to some of the competitor brands, are like the exact same size as Zen. So that makes it much easier to kind of not even know that you switched. I can't comment too much on the Focus stuff, but the flavor is good, the consistency is good, and the size is good. Definitely check it out.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site, the coupon will auto apply, click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.